matrices are written. Look at this. Here we are only writing the cofactors. But here we find the determinant A, we write the elements as well. So now simplify it. It's 21 plus 10 minus 1. So that's 30. Make it a point that this is not 0. Okay? Because if that becomes 0, you can't find the inverse. Inverse is adjoint A by determinant A. So determinant A is 30. If it is 0, you can't find. So A inverse is adjoint A by determinant A. So it is 1 by 30 into this matrix. Adjoint A is minus 7, 1, 4, 5 minus 5, 10, and minus 1, 13, minus 8. So all three parts in one sum. Transpose of a matrix, adjoint of a matrix, inverse of a matrix. So these are all related. So to find the inverse of a matrix, we first find the determinant A. If it is not equal to 0, we move further. We find adjoint. So finding adjoint, we first write the cofactor matrix. Then we transpose the cofactor matrix. We get the adjoint of the matrix. Inverse is adjoint A by the determinant A. Okay? The other thing, I think if I do another sum, it will be better for you. So I do one more sum, and then okay. So the next one. Here matrix A is given, you have to find A inverse, and I have added verify your answer. So verify your answer, not looking at the book. Okay? Now A inverse algebraically is what? 1 by A. So if you multiply A with 1 by A, the result is 1. So when you multiply a matrix with its inverse, the result will be a unit matrix. Okay? So we first find the inverse, multiply it, and we see what we get. Now look at here. A is given. I said when we find inverse, the first thing what we find is the determinant of the matrix. So first is the determinant of the matrix. So that's 4 minus 8 minus 3. Now the second is minus, but here it is minus. So minus minus plus. This and this cancels. Minus 12 minus 2 plus 0. Even if I don't write, doesn't make a difference, because 0 into anything will be 0. But here I am writing. I tell you the reason. Okay? This part, 0 into anything will be 0. So even if I don't write, doesn't make any difference. But why I wrote it, I come to that later. So this is minus 44, minus 24, this is equal to minus 68, not equal to 0. Then the next is to find adjoint. So we find the cofactor matrix of A. So the sign convention I wrote plus minus plus minus plus minus. Now, I said, why did I write it? The cofactor of the first row will be these only. So instead of doing it twice, I did it once. So here, you can just copy this for the first row. Okay, and that was the purpose for me to write this. So you don't have to look at again. Now remaining elements. So for this is left, this is left. So 4 minus 0. Here for 2 this is left. So 4 into minus 4, that is minus 16, minus 0 again. For element 1, this is left and this is left, that's 12 plus 2. For this element again, this is left and this is left, so minus 1, minus 0. Here it is minus 16, 0. And for this, just a minute, for this element, this is left, so 4 minus 0, not minus 16. I repeat, for this element, this is left and this is left, so 4 into 1, minus 3 into 0. And for this element 4, this is left, so 8 plus 3. So this is minus 11, this is 14, that's 5. This is minus 4, minus 16, and minus 14. This is minus 1, minus 4, 11. So this is cofactor matrix. So adjoint A will be the cofactor matrix, the transpose of it. So transpose of it means the first column is the first row. So this is minus 11, minus 4, minus 1. This is 14, minus 16, minus 4, and 5, minus 4, and 11. So this is adjoint A. Inverse is adjoint A by determinant A. So this is equal to determinant A is minus 68. So minus 1 by 68. So that's A inverse. Multiplying with minus 1, we make it outside positive. Verification. So verification, I said we multiplied A inverse. So 1 by 68 I wrote. The matrix A is 4 minus 1, 0, the first row. The second is 3, 2, 1. The third one is 2, 3, 4. Multiplying with this answer, that's 11, 4, 1, minus 14, 16, 4, minus 5, 4, minus 11. Now multiplying. Now multiplying, I am not write the full entries. So I am multiplying and writing. So look at this. First row into first column. So 11 into 4, 44, plus 14, minus 1 into minus 14, plus 0 into minus 5 is 0. Then first row into second column. So 4 4s are 16, minus 16 plus 0. First row into third column, that is 4 minus 4 plus 0. Second row with the first column, so 11 into 3, 33, minus 28, minus 5. Then second row into second column, that's 4 3s are 12, 32, and plus 4. Then multiplying with the third column, well, let me check this. Well, here it is 14, please. Then multiplying the third row with the third column here, third row with the first column, now look at this. This multiplication is somewhere wrong, or the cofactor matrix is somewhere wrong, because the answer should come as 1 0 0. So first row is all right, 1 0 0. But second row it's 0, but here it is wrong. This is 0. So this part somewhere it is wrong. This is again a sign convention wrong. This is again wrong, and this part is wrong. So I said to verify. Now look at this. This should be 0. So where we are getting wrong is the second row, second column. So look at this. Cofactor matrix of second row, second column. Is this cancel, it is 16 minus 0. So this will be plus 16, not minus 16. So then this will be plus 16, this will be plus 16, all this will be plus 16, this is minus 16. So here it is. Similarly here, the third. Cofactor of this is cancelled, minus 1, minus 0. So that's minus 1 is okay. With this is left, so 4 minus 0. So this is all right. With this 4 to 8,